So here I wanted to share one mistake which I have seen many people do while using this GridSearchCV class of sklearn. So we know that while modeling anything, we divide our data into two sets, training set and test set. And we usually do many transformation on the data. Example, if you are doing if you are normalizing the data. So for normalizing, we will need the mean and the standard deviation value. So what we do, we normally get that value from the training set and use that value on the test set. That is in the language of sklearn, we will do fit transform on the training set, and on the test set we will only do the transform method, so that there is no data leakage. But I have seen that while using GridSearchCV, people will first transform their X-train, okay, and they will pass their transform X-train to the GridSearchCV, okay. So you know that GridSearchCV, uh, like in this example, it will we are given the CV value as 5, so it will divide the training data into 5 equal blocks, use each block as the test set and other blocks as training set. So now we are already transforming the whole training set and passing that into GridSearchCV. So the test set is getting influenced by the training set. So what we did initially, separating both the training and test set, uh, that is getting defeated while doing GridSearchCV. So what we can do, that we can make use of this make pipeline class, which is also available in sklearn. Here we can give the steps the pipeline should follow. So I have given two steps. First, this I defined one variable known as transformation required and one model. So this transformation required is just like any transformation, like can be one-hot encoding or standardization, or you can make use of this make column transformer method and give a list of transformation. So what will happen, what this pipeline does is that whatever data we uh, supply to this pipeline, it will first transform that, then it will apply this model. Now what happens, instead of in this previous method, instead of sending this model, what we can do is that we will supply this pipeline as our model, and whatever data we supply uh, will be not transform data. It will be the raw data. Like I written here, the extend is not fitted and transformed. Pipeline will take care of that and avoid data leakage. So now what happens, whenever this data is divided into 5 blocks, so each but training block will go through this pipeline. It will first get transformed, then the model will be applied, and only test set. There will be no data leakage, and this will get repeated for every training set. So this will avoid data leakage. So whatever result we'll get after using various hyperparameters will be more accurate, because we are not allowing the data to get leaked. So I tried to make a small video. I hope you must have understood what I'm trying to convey to you. So if you like this content, please consider subscribing this channel and hit the like button. Okay, thank you.